$1 and they're making a profit. What the fuck do you think? Hey, what's up guys? We're back down here at Horsepower Factory. We've got my black car with us tonight. So we're gonna throw this thing on the dyno and make sure that the head gaskets are good. We had it out on the street after I took it out to the track last time, and I thought I lifted ahead, and the car seems to be staying nice and cool. I have no coolant pressure, no signs of any kind of head gaskets being blown. So just to be sure, we're gonna bring it down here and throw it on the dyno, make some pulls, full boost, full torque, make sure we don't get any coolant pressure. If I don't have to pull the heads off this, I would rather not, so that'll make it a lot easier. So we're gonna get it thrown up on the dyno, strap it down. We're just gonna leave the same tune-up in it that we had in it at the track last time when it went to 9.2, and we'll see what it'll put down. So that third run, well, on average here it's like 11.7, 11.8. It's kind of bouncing between, but I was targeting 11.7 that time, and that was 25 pounds.
How was it rich before though?
Well, it was just the second run. It was a lot of comp, so it was kind of all over the place, and it was breaking up.
That's probably why it was making a break up.
Oh, actually, you know what? This might have less timing in it than it did before. Let me compare.
Like what, 16?
Can I compare two data logs in here?
Nah, he didn't do a Holly too. Oh, I think you bitch.
I took a little fuel out of that.
I'm about to say they were gonna eat you alive, dog. You leaved it out? Oh shit.
What?
That's that red bottle. Where's that red bottle?
I just want to say a boost is under control. Your belt flew off.
Damn, you gained. I know that feeling. 30 horsepower. Just like, man, I lost my belt like that whole day. I lost my belt at the track.
I know.
All day I lost my belt.
What's your issue?
Huh?
What is your issue?
My truck used to throw the belt, and then I went to like the K-Tech, like the fancy shit.
Oh shit, K-Tech.
Still flew off, and I got so mad. I was like, man, I put the stock one, and then it didn't look like it was possible, but I think when it would hit the limiter, it would move like the charge pipe so much that it would probably contact like some of the accessory drive. I'm thinking. So it would go bah, 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 and it would move the actual, you know, aluminum pipe.
Put in the stock tensioner back on mine.
So I hit the fuck out of the aluminum pipe, like to where there's no way, like there's no way it hits, and that's it. So I don't know if it was just the tensioner or me doing that.
One time, well, mine was fine until Austin took my bracket off and put it back
And it was
on.
never the same.
It was never the same again.